Are you concerned about AI taking your job? Understandable, but maybe unlikely. You've heard it before. AI is taking over. The algorithms will replace us. The future doesn't need people, it just needs data. But here's the truth they forget to mention. Machines don't dream. They calculate. And as fast as they get, they still need something that only you can give them: direction. Take accounting, for example, one of the first industries to go digital. Before Excel, everything was manual: ledgers, handwritten equations, and endless hours punching 10 keys. Then Excel showed up, and panic followed. People said, "Why would anyone need an accountant if the computer can do the math?" But here's what actually happened. Excel didn't eliminate accountants. It made them more valuable. Because while the software can add faster, only the human knows what to add. Excel can process a formula instantly, but only you can decide which formula matters. The accountant is still needed to simplify the language. People do not want to read, and spot checks will always be necessary. That person who can take a seemingly complex set of data and articulate it in layman's terms. That person who can look at the data and suggest, "That doesn't look right," that will forever be relevant. AI is the same story, just with a new face. Artificial intelligence is a brilliant tool, but it's not self-aware. It's a mirror. It reflects what you feed it. If your input lacks clarity, the output will too. That's why AI isn't replacing the workforce. It's revealing who actually understands their craft. Anyone can prompt a model, but not everyone can interpret what it gives back. Anyone can get an answer, but not everyone can explain why that answer makes sense. And that's where human intelligence still leads the room. Think about I, Robot. The movie came out in 2004. Will Smith plays a detective in a world run by machines. Every task, every function handled by AI. It's efficient, but it's cold. There's a scene where the robot says, "My logic is undeniable," and Smith's character responds, "But it makes you wrong." That's the difference. AI can follow logic perfectly, but logic alone can't make you human. The robot could analyze the data, calculate the odds, but it couldn't understand grief. It couldn't process intuition. It couldn't feel the quiet conviction that makes someone say, "I know this doesn't add up, but it's still right." And that's exactly what AI lacks. That human paradox, the willingness to believe in something beyond numbers. You can teach a machine to recognize patterns, but you can't teach it purpose. That's your part in the equation. AI can tell you what's happening, but you're the one who explains why it matters. It can summarize a report, but you're the one who delivers it with empathy. It can build the system, but you're the one who knows how it should feel. That's not something you can code. There was a time calculators caused the same panic. Older accountants said, if machines do the math, people will forget how. But the calculator didn't erase skill. It freed people to focus on meaning. Just like Excel didn't kill accounting. Just like AI won't kill creativity, strategy, or leadership. Because no matter how advanced the system gets, it still needs someone who knows what to ask. AI isn't here to take your job. It's here to take your busy work. It's not replacing skill, it's refining it. Because now, to stand out, you can't just be fast. You have to be thoughtful. It's not about who produces the most, it's about who sees the furthest. So no, AI won't eliminate people. It'll elevate the ones who understand partnership. Because the goal isn't man versus machine, it's man with machine. You provide the insight, you bring the emotion, you add the moral dimension, and the tool amplifies it. If the computer is the engine, you're still the driver. The same way Will Smith's character needed to trust his instincts in a world of logic, you'll need to trust yours in a world of algorithms. Because progress isn't about removing humanity, it's about reminding the machine where it came from.